Hey and welcome again to Mastering of Git and GitHub. In this video we will know how to create and manipulate branch. And as default in every or when we initialize a Git a repository as a Git, we see the master. So the master here is the branch, and to know, for example, to make sure that we are in master, or if this master don't show up, we can create or we can do the command git branch, and here it tells us that we are in branch master. Why those branches are important? For example, in a team of developer, we have, for example, the designer and front-end developer and the back-end developer. So in this case we need to create three branches, one for the designer, one for the back-end, and one for the front-end, and everyone he will work separate with those branches. At the end of the work, we will merge those branches or collect all the code in a simple one application. And to do that, we will sometimes it will work just fine, and sometimes we will have a lot of conflicts and a lot of error messages. We will know also how to save the solution so that we can work clean and easy as we want. So first of all, we are in the master branch. Now let's create a new branch. We will create it with this command git checkout dash b as branch, and after that the name of the branch. In this case, let's name it update. We hit enter, and as you notice, now we are no more in the branch master, but we are in the update, and here are switched to a new branch as update. And to know all the branch we have, with command git branch, it will show us all the branch that we have, and for the moment we have just two, master and update, and the one we are in it's in green, update, as it is in here, update. Now if we want to go back to the branch master, we will use this command git branch, but without dash b, because with the dash b it's to create a new one. So now git checkout normal. If we want to create a new branch, we use dash b, then the name of the new branch. But now we have it already. We want just to switch to the master branch, so we'll just put the name master, and it says switch it to the branch master, and now we are in the branch master. Now let's go back to the update one, the update branch, updates. Now let's make some modification. For example, in readme tree, let's add another line, learn git and GitHub from 0 to hero. We will save it, and now let's check our status, git status. It tells us that it happened some modification in the readme tree. Let's commit. So let's use express commit, because the readme tree is already have been tracked, so we can use the express commit. Let's add line. Let's hit enter, and now it will be committed. Now if we see with git status, it tells us that everything work fine. now we have committed in the branch updated. Now let's go back to the master, so git checkout master, let's hit enter, and we see here that the line that we have added, it's disappear. Why is that? Because it's in the branch update and not in the master. So why the branch are important to work with? Let me give you some example. The branch, it's like, for example, before we have just one branch master, it's like we have one repository of master that it's contain all those codes or all those files and it's work fine. But in the future we're thinking of something new to add it to the application, or for example to add it to this new file, but we are not sure if this code will add perfectly or will work perfectly with those previous codes that we are running. So we create another branch. In this case we are name it updated. It's like we make a copy and paste to the repository master and we name it updated. So we go to the repository or to the branch updated, we test our code, we add maybe some more codes or some more features, and we see if it's work correctly. We will merge them to become one as it's before and to work with. If it's not, and if it's not working good, or we see that the previous code it work better than that, so we will leave the branch the branch update and go back to the branch master, and we will find that everything is everything is as it used to be before. Everything work right, but in the updated, no. So now in the positive side, what if the new code that we added is work perfectly and it work clean with previous one? In this case we will update our application or our website and we will use the code in updated. How we will do that? Let's see. So now let's add the command line git merge and the name of the branch that it worked, and in this case it's update. So now what will happen is that all this modification and all the code that we do in the branch updated will appear and work in master. Let's hit enter, and we see that the line it's back again to the master. Learn git and github from 0 to hero. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.